London's coffee scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and experiences waiting to be explored. Imagine stepping into a snug café in Shoreditch, where each cup is crafted with passion and precision. The air is thick with the intoxicating scent of freshly ground beans, inviting you to treat yourself to something extraordinary. In SoHo, the energy is electric. Baristas wield their skills like artists, creating stunning coffee masterpieces that are almost too beautiful to drink. Have you ever tried a coffee cocktail? It's a game changer. Innovative roasters are pushing boundaries, blending flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. Imagine sipping a cup that bursts with rich chocolate, tangy citrus, and subtle floral notes to awaken your senses. Coffee is more than just a beverage, it's a bridge to connection. Many cafes host lively events, from hands-on latte art workshops to vibrant music nights. Each visit is a thrilling adventure, a chance to connect with fellow coffee lovers. So, when you find yourself in London, don't just grab any coffee. Dive into this caffeinated wonderland. Share your favorite cafes and unforgettable moments. This city is overflowing with opportunities. Let's celebrate the joy of coffee together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.